Hi, this is Andrea with DocuClipper. In this video, I'll show you how to convert PDF bank statements to Excel using DocuClipper. To get started, click on Bank Statements. DocuClipper works with any bank, credit card, or brokerage statement from any financial institution. Both text and scanned PDFs are supported, and you can process dozens of statements in a single job. The system is accurate, fast, and fully automated. In this case, we're going to convert 2 PDF files with 2 accounts, checking and savings, over 2 months. Click on Add Bank Statements or drag and drop the files. You can give the job a name and give it tags to help you keep your jobs organized. Then click on Convert. After a few seconds, the data will be ready. Use the Document drop-down to select a document. DocuClipper displays a table with the extracted transactions one page at a time. You can browse the transactions on each page using the page buttons. On the right, DocuClipper displays a summary section which includes the totals and is broken down by account and month. For this document, we have 2 accounts and 1 month. DocuClipper automatically reconciles the statements, ensuring the data is 100% accurate. The blue box indicates the account is reconciled. The summary table contains start date and balance, total credits and debits, and end date and balance. If necessary, you can correct the transactions by clicking on the value. When updating the amounts, DocuClipper automatically reconciles the statement. For example, if we update the wrong amount to the wrong value, DocuClipper shows the month as non-reconciled. If DocuClipper missed any transactions, you can add them by clicking on Add Transactions. Enter the date, description, and amount, and click on Add Transaction. Let's exclude the transaction so the statement stays reconciled. Once the statements are reconciled, we can go ahead and download the data by clicking on Download Data. DocuClipper can export the data to Excel and different accounting softwares like QuickBooks, Xero, Sage, and others. DocuClipper is very flexible and can output the data in any format. Out of the box, you can download a basic Excel file with date, description, amount, or you can select Excel All to get a spreadsheet with all the columns. You can choose what columns to include by clicking on Configure Columns. In this case, we want to get all the columns. Click on Excel All CSV. When there are multiple accounts, by default, DocuClipper downloads one zip file that contains one spreadsheet for each account. To get everything in a single spreadsheet, uncheck Download Separate Files for each account. Then click on Download CSV, and the spreadsheet will download to your computer. DocuClipper has produced a clean spreadsheet with the date, description, amount, and other data. When you're done, return to DocuClipper and click on Delete Job to permanently delete all the data. To access previously converted files, you can click on Converted Files. Ready to give DocuClipper a try? Head over to DocuClipper.com and get a free 14-day trial. Thanks for watching.